I'm Ricki Fairley, the co-founder and CEO of Touch, the Black Breast Cancer Alliance. Advancing for science for Black women with breast cancer is my God job. I was given 2 years to live, and now I'm celebrating 12 years because I took some experimental drugs. We need clinical trials because Black women are dying. We have a 41% higher mortality rate of breast cancer than white women. We have a 39% higher recurrence rate than white women. We get triple negative breast cancer, which is what I had, at 3 times the rate of white women, and we don't know why. Black women under 35 get breast cancer at twice the rate and die at 3 times the rate. And we don't know why. And it's well before they would have that first mammogram at age 40. And we currently only have about 3% participation in clinical trials. So the drugs that we're making now don't have representation from our bodies. We launched our When We Trial campaign, our movement last year, to change the game on these devastating numbers. We built a platform to educate Black women and simplify how we talk about the science. And we do it from the trusted voices of breasties with lived experiences. Our research told us that Black women were afraid of the unknown, thinking they would get a sugar pill and die. But when we educate about the standard of care and simple messages like that Advil you took last week was in a clinical trial, that heart medicine I give my dog Harper was in a clinical trial, the fears go away and we want to sign up. We want to live. We want to live. And in the past year, we've now signed up 12,868 Black women for clinical trials. And though I'm proud of that number, it's not enough. We have to know that clinical trials are a gift from God. They're like getting tomorrow's medicines today. Clinical trials are about love. It's not only about science. It's about more birthdays, more babies, more grandbabies, more college graduations, more weddings, more life, more life. In an ideal world, clinical trials would be offered by doctors as a normal treatment option. They would be offered by doctors. Right now, they're not offered to Black women. Clinical trials would be in community hospitals, in our neighborhoods where we live. Clinical trials would have nurse navigators like our Touch Care program that we just launched to provide 24/7 support from someone with lived experience that provides resources and another layer of love and care. Costs for transportation and childcare and healthy food would not be an issue. Comorbidities for Black women would not be an issue. Trials would take into consideration that many Black women have high blood pressure, have diabetes. Clinical trials are our best treatment options and provide the best quality of care. If you want to learn more about trials from the voices of Black breasties, go to whenwetrial.org and come to our events. We're all over the place. Check out our social media at Touch BBCA. And you can check out our event schedule to see where we're going, where Black women live, work, play, pray, and slay. I work every day for my 3 grandbabies. They're 2, 4, and 6, Belle, Leia, and Hart. And I work for your daughters and your sons. Help us get rid of this disease with our movement. Join us at whenwetrial.org. Join us in challenging doctors, challenging pharmaceutical companies, challenging scientists, and challenging the FDA to do better by us. We're trying to be impatient about being iconic, doing things differently. So check us out at whenwetrial.org. Ask your doctors about trials and participate in research if you have the opportunity. You know, we live by 2 hashtags at Touch, GSD and DIS. I won't define them for you. You can call me if you want to know what they mean. So let's advance the science together. Let's make clinical trials a part of everyday life and get rid of this horrible disease, metastatic breast cancer.